Here's a quick best practice tip when leaving your device either at school or at home over the long winter break. The image you see here was a result of leaving an iPad plugged in over the weekend. We've heard reports that power cords and blocks can get quite hot, and if cables are faulty, they can overheat. Our recommendation is to fully charge your device and then power it completely off. Your battery should stay fully charged until the next time it is powered on. Teachers, feel free to share these tips with your students and families, as it will help when students do return to learn. To say the least, this year will go down as a monumental year for a variety of reasons. Even with the hurdles and challenges that we faced, there's still so much positive that we can take out of this year. In the face of adversity, we stuck together. It is so important for us to remember that our journey this year is like a movie soundtrack. There were highs and there were lows, but we're glad we're able to capture some of the essence here in our videos. Thank you to our teachers and staff. Thank you to our students and families. We couldn't have done this without your patience and flexibility.
Happy holidays. Stay safe and enjoy your time off.
Happy holidays, everyone. Stay safe.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays, everyone.
Happy holidays.
Hello and happy holidays.
Hello, everybody. Happy holiday.
Happy holidays, everyone. We'll see you next year.
Happy holidays, everyone, from the Solution Team.